So good day guys, it's Mr. Nagodiga. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll be showing you, or I'll be telling you what the outcome of my sell trade yesterday was and how I took the trade and how I took another beautiful buy trade today. So if you want to learn how I take my trade and how I get my trade idea, you should stick to the end of this video guys. So let's get right into it. So guys, first thing I spotted yesterday for the sell trade, for this sell trade I took, was this double top right here. And you know, most of my entry model get this double top. Whenever I spot this double top, I always wait for sweep or double bottom, the sweep to the bottom or sweep to the top. So as I spotted this double top, and I know for a fact that market is pulling back to a high probability demand zone, so I waited for market to sweep this liquidity, and immediately market swept the liquidity above these highs right here. It came back and retested the zone that swept the liquidity. So I entered upon the mitigation of the retest. So as you can see right here is a beautiful trade. 1:7 risk to reward. And I took TP here. Not anything greedy, not anything shabby. I can take this setup all day and I'll be very, very grateful for that. So guys, we know for a fact that market just broke structure to the upside. There's a breakup structure here, and this is a high probability demand zone that I always mark, because this is my normal setup. I do take break and retest, but after this sell trade right here, I made a good profit. I made good profit from this trade alone, so I didn't have to take another trade yesterday. So I still stuck to my plan. I just moved away from the market, because that's what you should be doing as a trader. You should be disciplined, follow your rules, adhere to your instructions no matter what. So I did not take any trade after this sell trade yesterday, but looking at today's trade, I was waiting for market to pull back to this demand zone that swept liquidity, but that's my instinct guys. Market always does what it wants to do. So instead of waiting for price to, because not every time market price comes down to this demand zone before pulling to the upside, you can just retest this zone and start going to the upside. Do you understand? And I spotted a clean manipulation and inducement, which gives me more confirmation that market has swept liquidity already below these lows and is not coming down to this zone anytime soon. So if you look at this zone right here, you see that this is what the smart money, this is the game they always play. They manipulate price so that retail traders or beginner traders will enter for early buy or early sell. So as I spotted this inducement, I waited, patiently waited for a liquidity sweep below this demand zone, and immediately market swept the liquidity below this zone right here. I also patiently waited, because the game is all about patience. You don't have to rush your entry, guys. You don't have to rush to enter for a trade. So I waited for pullback to this demand zone that swept liquidity and entered upon the mitigation of the mitigation. So as you can see right here, this is how I got this buy trade. It's a 1:13 risk to reward, a very beautiful RR, and I will take this every day, every year, every month, every quarter in my life, because this is my setup. This is a beautiful setup I always take. And I took this same trade. I sent this trade to the community in my Telegram. You can click the link in the description to check out my Telegram group, and you see where I drop all my setup. Beautiful A+ setup trade. So guys, that's how I got the entry for this buy setup right here. So if you enjoyed the video and you want to get more of this video, you want to see more of this video in my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button, like and share. I'll see you guys in the next one.